Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap. The reason I picked this up is because I found quite quickly that the strap that ships with the headset is not very comfortable, especially after long periods of use. It's kind of flimsy. So the Elite strap offers you better support, and on the back it says this ergonomic strap enhances comfort and support with a quick twist of the fit wheel. So you can see here it's got rigid stabilizing straps on the side. It's got an adjustable fit wheel at the back and rear flexible brace. So it looks like it'll be quite a bit more comfortable, especially when using for several hours at a time. Now I have heard some reviews saying that the plastic is not very sturdy on this Elite strap, so let's check it out and see what it looks like when it's brand new out of the box. Stay tuned. Okay, so we've got the inner box out, and it's quite similar to the Oculus Quest 2 box itself. It flips open, quite nice packaging. And inside, remove with care and follow the quick start guide. So, this is the strap itself. And beneath that, it looks like we've got our quick start guide. So let's take this all out and get ready to install it. All right, here it is. It definitely does look a bit more substantive. Now this is sort of a rubbery material, and behind is plastic, and then there's a rotary dial here to adjust it. That is also plastic, and these sides are plastic. And then we've got a Velcro strap to hold on to the top part. And the instructions seem pretty straightforward. We need to remove the facial interface first, and that is this part here. Detach the soft strap, which would be the original strap. Extend Elite side straps. Attach Elite side strap. Attach Elite top strap, and insert the facial interface back in. And then you adjust using the rotary dial as well as the Velcro on the top. It should be right here. Alright, so we're going to give this a try and see how it looks when it's installed. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's installed, and it really wasn't too hard. It only took about 5 minutes. Everything snaps in and out quite easily. I was a little nervous about removing the facial interface, but you literally just pull it outwards and you'll hear it snap out of place, and then you just pop it out. Same with the sides here. You just pull them outwards gently and it'll snap out, and you can swap them out with the Elite strap. So it's really quite easy, and you can see here that this dial just adjusts the overall size of the strap. Likewise with the Velcro here, you adjust this to conform to your head size. So it's really quite easy, and definitely eager to give it a try. I don't think the plastic feels too cheap right off the bat. I'll have to use it for a while to see how it holds up, but it definitely is plastic. But I'm not concerned about it breaking right off the bat. So we'll have to see how it holds up after some use. All right, so that's it for today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and post any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.